Hi friends, today we'll discuss duty, delta, base period, also the relation between duty and delta. First we'll discuss duty. What is the duty of water? It is referred to the area of the land that can be irrigated with unit volume of water. So here are two concepts, one is land irrigated, another is unit volume of water. Here in this case we consider unit volume of water 1 cubic means 1 cubic meter per second. If that amount of water irrigate a definite area, that amount of area by that amount of water is called as the duty. Also it can be illustrated by other definition, like it is the relationship in between total area irrigated to the amount of water required for total crop growth period of that crop. We refer it as duty. It can be given by various units. The basic unit we can call it as hectare per cubic. For example, 1 cubic of water is irrigating 1 hectare land, means the duty of water is 1 hectare cubic. Suppose we have this much amount of water and that duty of that water we call it as 1 hectare cubic. Next one is delta. So other is hectare centimeter we can give here, also hectare per million cubic meter also. Means there are three definition, three units: hectare per cubic, hectare centimeter, or hectare per million cubic meter. All these units can be used for the duty of water. Next one is delta. It is very simple. It is the depth of water required for a crop during entire period of crop growth. So this depth can be given in meters or centimeters. Means hectare centimeter or hectare mm. Hectare meter. This can be the units given for the delta, where the unit is always centimeter or meter, and when we call this depth along with the hectare, it is the amount of water required for the crop growth period. Base period is period in between two irrigations. First one is first irrigation required for crop cultivation itself, means preparation of land or for preparation of transplanting of the rice, like that, to the last irrigation of the crop growth period. So the period in between these two irrigations is referred as base period. So we have dealt with three definitions: duty, delta, and base period. Now we will discuss about the relationship in between these three concepts. Suppose if 1 cubic of water is used for base period B, 1 cubic of water is used for base period B, volume of water will be B into 24 into 60 into 60. This will be the volume of water, right? If d hectare of land is irrigated at the depth of delta, where we have given the unit centimeter or meter, like, so volume will be d into delta. If we equate these equations, B into 24 into V is equal to V, so that we will equate these two equations, B into 24 into 60 is equal to D into delta. Means we will get the delta is equal to 8.64 B upon D if we give in the meters, or 864 B upon D centimeter. Here B is the base period, D is the duty of water. but expressed in hectare centimeter. So in this case, we can use this formula. Another one formula is there. I will rub this now. Delta is equal to volume upon area. Means volume is, suppose in this case, in above case we have taken 24 into 60 into 60. If 1 hectare of land is we have irrigated, means that area we are taking here, so that we will get the delta here by this formula. So there are two formulas for delta we have studied now. Delta is equal to phi upon A, or delta is equal to 8.64 B upon D, where D is the duty of water expressed in hectare centimeter, B is the base period expressed in the days. So this is about relationship in between. So this is all about duty, delta and base period. Thank you.